Assam and the Northeast is an unparalleled creation of nature. It is nature's Eden, where the hills, rivers, and the streams create an everlasting sylvan scene of beauty. About 330 kilometers away from Guwahati, the capital city of the beautiful state of Assam, is situated a small district called Hailakandi. Geographically speaking, it shares its boundaries with Cachar and Karimganj, the other two districts of Barak Valley, and the state of Mizoram as well. Hailakandi was made a subdivision in 1869, and the same subdivision was declared a district in the year 1989. The social fabric of Hailakandi comprises of a mixed people from the minority community, scheduled castes, Adivasis, and others. The present population of Hailakandi is about 6.6 lakhs, a majority of which resides in the villages, and their primary occupation is agriculture. A lot needs yet to be done in the socio-economic front of the lives of the people of Hailakandi, whose smile waned owing to certain problems that they were facing. Various waterborne diseases make the lives of people distressful. These problems were the consequences of the absence of health and sanitation, scarcity of safe drinking water, and the problem of water for everyday use. Many of these problems have almost come to an end today in Hailakandi. Rays of hope appeared in the lives of people as their misery gradually gave way to joy. It eventually found its reason to abandon tears and cheer up. But how did such radical transformation occur? How were the villagers of Hailakandi able to dream of a new world full of hope? The path to this transformation was opened up by the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, a Government of India initiative, and the Public Health Engineering Department of the Government of Assam. It was owing to the sustained efforts of the engineers, officers, and workers of the PHE, along with the committed effort of the present Deputy Commissioner of the district, that brought about awareness in the people of Hailakandi. It was due to the teamwork of all the stakeholders that the villages of the district, one after another, won the status of Open Defecation Free or ODF village.
প্রথমে আমাদের একটু অসুবিধা হতো গ্রামে গিয়ে গ্রামের লোক মানে এইগুলা কাজ করতে অনিচ্ছা প্রকাশ করতো তখন মানুষদেরকে আমরা মোটিভেট করে কাজ শুরু করলাম এখন আমাদের এমন হয়েছে মানুষের ইচ্ছা এখন বেড়ে গেছে
অ্যামাউন্ট 12,000 টাকার মধ্যে যে কাজ হয় এটা ইতিহাস ভারতের এরকম যে অন্যান্য কাজ হয় তে ভারতের রূপ বদলে যাইব আমি আশা করি
At present, about 25 villages are formally recognized as ODF villages, and there are plans to include more villages under this category very soon.
As per Government of India's guideline 2019 এর 2nd অক্টোবরের ভেতরে প্রত্যেকটি গাঁয়ের প্রত্যেকটি জিপিতে প্রত্যেকটি বাড়িতে টয়লেটস ফ্যাসিলিটিস করে দিতে হবে। সেই হিসাবে আমরা অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ অ্যাপ্রুভালটা পেয়েছিলাম। 84,000 আমাদের টার্গেট ছিল। এবছরে আমরা টার্গেট নিয়েছি 5খানা জিপি, আর 5খানা জিপিতে আমাদের অ্যাভারেজ 3 to 4 ভিলেজেস আছে, ধরলাম 20খানা ভিলেজ।
This transformation and mass awareness did not happen in a day. This was made possible by the systematic efforts, perseverance, and dedication of many people. Mr. A.B. Chaudhary, Executive Engineer of the PHE Department of the district, planned to adopt some novel methods to accelerate the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. He disclosed his plans to Abdul Qadir Borbhuya, who was a contractor of the department, besides being a local folk artist as well. Subsequently, it was decided that songs would be composed in native flavor to attract a large mass within a short span of time. Day and night, the local musician devoted himself in creating one song after another. A new chapter dawned in the lives of the village folks of Hailakandi. Ever-increasing groups of villagers participated in this mission of increasing awareness among people. With the support and cooperation of the PHE department, district administration, Gram Panchayats, NGOs and local people, the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin marched towards achieving heights of success in the district. Besides songs and music, the aid of street plays, a strong medium of mass communication, were also taken for the success of this mission.
আর যদি এরকম খোলা জায়গায় করা হয় তাহলে এটা থেকে নানান রোগ জীবাণু ছড়াইব, নানান মানুষের আরো পশু পক্ষী বহু জিনিসের ক্ষতি হইব। পিএইচই বিভাগের মানে ঊর্ধ্বতন কর্তৃপক্ষের লগে আমরা আলোচনা করব।
The people of the district had a fondness for the performing arts such as song, music, dance and drama. Therefore, such methods adopted for Swachh Bharat Mission could easily gain support from the people. There was rise of awareness amongst people and more villages came to be included under this mission. A number of attractive awareness campaigns were arranged by the PHE department in the remote villages of the district under the zealous supervision of the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Monoy Bora. People of all ages flocked to these awareness campaigns from far-flung areas. They participated spontaneously in these campaigns, and the Gram Panchayats also played a significant role in these campaigns.
मैं बहुत खुशी हुआ है कि ये गांव ये भारतवर्ष के नक्शा में सब विश्व साफ गांव हो
Efforts were made to articulate the importance of cleanliness through songs, dance, and drama. These programs played an important role in creating awareness amongst the village folk about cleanliness, health, and sanitation, and the aims and goals of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. The positive effect of this mission was reflected in every village, every family, and the lives of every villager. As a part of this mission, the officers and workers of the PHE department went to every household to increase awareness in the mass. The department also conducted several programs every now and then in the Anganwadi centers and the schools to raise awareness among kids and school children. Today, every corner of Hailakandi is reaping the benefits of such an effort. The school children are today active stakeholders in this awareness campaign. The nationwide scheme of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin has truly proven to be a boon for the people of Hailakandi. Having found the road to bliss, the people of Hailakandi are beginning to forget their tears. Besides the villages, the town is also witnessing a surge in the awareness level. Meanwhile, with an aim to supply pure drinking water to the people of Hailakandi, the PHE department has implemented as many as 285 piped water supply schemes in the district. With the financial aid received from the World Bank, Hailakandi is now on its way to implement a mega project, the Neer Nirmal Pariyojana scheme. Once the ongoing construction of this mega project at Algapur Development Block reaches completion, it would benefit the people of 14 Gram Panchayats under the Algapur Development Block and Hailakandi Development Block. On 25th November 2016, the Honourable Minister Public Health Engineering Department inspected the project construction site and stressed on the need to expedite the construction work. Through the implementation of this World Bank scheme, the current water supply schemes would be renovated and upgraded. It would then be possible to provide daily water supply to every household of the region. Under the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, as many as 40,000 individual household latrines have been constructed in the district. Today, the local villagers of the district are enjoying the fruits of such an enterprise.
বানালে আমরা বহুত সুবিধা হয়েছে গ্রামও বহুত সুবিধা হয়েছে জান গ্রামের মানুষ খাসা লেফটিন করতে দুর্গন্ধ বাইরে টিকা যাইতো
আমরা যে পাখা লেফটিন পাইছি যে এইটা তো আমরা লাগে খুব সুবিধা হয়েছে বা আগের যে ফসা গন্ধ এই সেই যে সব সরছে বেমার আজার এই সেই থেকে আমরা তো রক্ষা পাইছি
Hailakandi has found its spring of bliss finally.
আমাদের কিন্তু এনজিওসরা উজ্জীবিত আছেন, আমাদের স্টাফেরা উজ্জীবিত আছেন, আমরা সাকসেসফুল হবই।
The government of Assam established a seamless link for the Swachh Bharat mission, and the whole administration is involved to help the people of Assam. The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Sarbananda Sonowal, is giving special emphasis in this direction and guidance on a regular basis. The Chief Secretary, Sri V.K. Pipersenia, is leading from the front, and he does regular video conferences with all the DCs of Assam to monitor the progress of individual household latrine in the districts and encourages the Deputy Commissioners for better performance. This is just the beginning. The mission shall march forward to achieve 100% success.